At 8 o'clock, I gave myself one challenge: build a simple AI customer support system for a small business in one day. Not a huge platform, just a practical system to help a business respond faster, organize messages, and know when a real person needs to step in. The owner is busy serving customers, taking calls, checking payments, and solving problems. But while that is happening, new messages keep coming in. Someone asks for prices, someone wants to book, someone needs to reschedule, someone is upset. If nobody responds quickly, well, that customer may move on. So the goal was simple: use AI as the first layer of customer support, not to replace the owner, not to replace the team, but to answer basic questions, collect information, and send important issues to a human. The first thing I built was not the chatbot. It was the knowledge base. Many people start with the tool, but the most important part is the information. So I created a simple business document with the basic details: business name, services, hours, location, phone number, booking process, pricing, cancellation policy, and common questions. This document became the brain of the system. Then I added one rule: the AI can only answer using the information inside the knowledge base. If the answer is not there, it should not guess. Customer support is not the place for creative answers. If the AI invents a price, promises an appointment, or explains a policy incorrectly, it can create a real problem. So when the assistant does not know something, it should say, "I don't have that information right now, but I can send your question to the team." After the knowledge base was ready, I designed the assistant's tone. I wanted it to sound like a helpful front desk assistant. Short answers, clear language, friendly tone, one question at a time, no long paragraphs. For example, if a customer says, "Do you have appointments today?" the AI should simply say, "I can help with that. What service are you looking for today?" That is enough. Good support helps the customer take the next step. The next part was building message categories. Not every customer message is the same. Some are simple questions, some are booking requests, some are pricing questions, some are complaints, some are billing problems, some are urgent, and some are unclear. So I created categories for the AI to recognize: general question, booking request, pricing question, reschedule request, complaint, billing issue, urgent request, and unknown request. Now the AI was not just replying, it was sorting the conversation. If someone asks for hours, it answers. If someone asks for prices, it gives approved information. If someone wants to book, it collects the service, date, time, name, and phone number. If someone is upset, it apologizes and sends the issue to a human. If the question is outside the knowledge base, it escalates. That is the difference between a chatbot and a support system. A chatbot only talks. A support system helps organize the work. Then I built the escalation rules. AI should not handle everything. Some situations need a real person. Refund request, escalate. Billing issue, escalate. Angry customer, escalate. Manager request, escalate. Urgent issue, escalate. Unknown answer, escalate. In those cases, the assistant should collect the customer's information and notify the team. After that, I created a support log. For this version, I kept it simple. I used a spreadsheet. Every time a customer needed human follow-up, the system created a new support ticket. The ticket included the customer's name, contact information, request type, urgency level, short summary, and next action. This is where the system becomes practical. Many businesses do not just need faster replies, they need better organization. Customer conversations are usually spread across too many places: Instagram, email, text messages, website forms, and phone calls. The support log brings follow-ups into one place. Even if the AI does not solve the issue completely, it makes sure the customer is not forgotten. Then I tested the system. First, I asked, "What time do you close?" The AI answered correctly. Then I asked, "How much does it cost?" The AI gave the approved pricing information. Then I tested booking. The AI asked for the service, preferred time, name, and phone number. Finally, I tested a complaint. I called twice and nobody answered. I'm frustrated. The AI apologized, collected the details, marked the request as urgent, and escalated it. By the end of the day, the system was not perfect, but it was useful. The first version of an AI system does not need to do everything. It just needs to solve one clear problem. In this case, the problem was missed customer messages. This system helps a business answer faster, collect better information, and organize follow-ups. It also protects the owner from trying to remember every conversation manually. The most important lesson from this build is that the value is not only in the AI. The real value is in the structure, the knowledge base, categories, escalation rules, support log, and response style. Without a structure, AI is just another tool. With a structure, it becomes part of the business operation. So if you run a small business, start simple. Write down the 20 questions customers ask all the time. Create clear answers. Decide which situations need a human. Choose where support requests should be tracked. Then build the AI around that workflow. Do not start with complexity. Start with clarity. AI customer support is not about removing the human side of business. It is about making sure customers get help when the human team is busy. It helps the business respond faster, stay organized, and follow up better. Sometimes that is the difference between winning a customer and losing one. That was the system I built in one day. In the next video, I'll take one business idea and turn it into a full AI marketing campaign. This is AI System Lab. I'll see you in the next one.